Good afternoon, everybody. It is August 10th. We have had family up for the last couple weeks. And there's the chickens. Got a little sandbox I made for the grandkids when they were up. Spent lots of nights here around our campfire. Now everybody's home and back to work for us. Hannibal found something good to roll in. We got the outside coop finished thanks to help from our daughter Kayla and a friend of hers, Colin, who came up as well to camp here and hang out with us for a few days. And so the chickens are loving being outside. So we bought dual purpose meat birds or layers, and it's kind of, these are all supposed to be the same breed. The roosters we'll be keeping one rooster. The rest will be going in the they're trying to get a little moth. But we'll be keeping one rooster, and the rest will be going in the freezer, and we'll be keeping probably four layers. And as you can see, our rooster is the big rooster is really starting to crow well now. These guys are about 2.5 months old, 2 months old. And they're getting quite big now as well. It's nice for them to be able to get outside the coop. And the garden is overgrown, but everything's still growing, and lots of lettuces, green and yellow beans, onions, carrots, cabbages. The rhubarb is still growing here. Harvested most of the garlic already. Had about 200 garlic growing. We've been harvesting lots of peas. Got a bunch of those that I froze. A bunch of onions there. And I was just given 5 big zucchini from a neighbor, so I'll be busy doing a bunch of zucchini relish now. The tomatoes are slowly coming along. We've had a lot of cold nights, and being in the woods, the sun has to come over these trees in the morning, and then it dips behind these trees in the afternoon. So we do have limited sunlight, just being in the middle of the woods. And I got these couple hoops here. The end of the year, I'm just going to put a piece of clear plastic on there just to kind of give them a few more weeks before it gets too cold. We got a month of growing time before we'll get a frost. Usually mid-September we'll have a frost. So Farmer's Almanac says September 8th. And a bunch of herbs here. Lettuces, sage, chives. That's about it. At market this morning selling our maple syrup and products, and been doing pretty good, so happy about that, how it's going. And it's just a 10-minute drive from here, so it's perfect. But all right, just a quick update on how things are going here on the homestead. I'll have some videos on pressure canning and canning coming up next.